Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakarasanate po kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin ang mga messages ni Leo. We have the Eight of Swords. Feelings of entrapment, no? So feeling restricted kayo, feeling hindi kayo malaya, in other words, hindi kayo malaya gawin ang gusto ninyo, hindi kayo malayang isipin ang gusto ninyong isipin kasi maaari meron ditong taong nagkumokontrol sa'yo. No? It's either tao yung kumukontrol sa'yo or situation ang kumukontrol sa'yo. Maaaring hindi mo magawa, no? Yung mga gusto mong gawan because you are in a situation na yun ang kailangan mong unahin. Yun ang kailangan mong i-prioritize, 'di ba? Instead ng gawin mo kung ano yung gusto mo, hindi mo magagawa yan kasi you are choosing that situation first, 'di ba? So, ang iba din sa inyo rito, parang hindi kayo hindi ninyo magawa ang gusto ninyo because you're feeling hopeless, no? Baka feeling din ninyo hindi ninyo kaya, powerless kayo, or baka hindi rin nyo nagagawa because you're scared, no? Natatakot kayo na kapag ginawa ninyo, matatapos mo ba? Kaya mo ba? Mapapanindigan mo ba? Yung mga ganon, no? So, what else? We have Two of Swords. Ayan, so naguguluhan ang karamihan siguro sa inyo. Pwede rin na ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ninyo magawa ang gusto ninyong gawin or yung mga ideas ninyo. Hindi kayo makapag-take action because maybe you're confused. Hindi ninyo alam kung alin yung uunahin ninyo or alin yung gagawin ninyo. Or hindi kayo makapamili, 'di ba? Hindi kayo malabo sa isip ninyo. Hindi ninyo maisip kung alin dito yung dapat or 'di ba, kung ano yung gagawin ninyo. So that is possible. Posible din dito, Leo, na ang iba sa inyo, sa dami siguro ng laman ng isip ninyo, dami ng here and there, no? Fragmented kayo. Maraming impormasyon ang hawak ninyo kaya hindi din kayo makakapag-desisyon. So, pwedeng ganon. So, you know what? Maybe it's gonna help you if you are going to talk to someone. Diba? Choose the person or people na alam ninyong you are on the same page. Or talk to someone, hingi kayo ng advice siguro. And choose the people or person na napagkakatiwalaan ninyo. You know, like-minded people, no? Yun ang mga dapat na lalapitan ninyo if you want to ask for guidance or opinion from other people. And also, the most effective then na pwede ninyong gawin is to listen to your intuition. Kasi yung intuition ninyo, that is your 24/7 reliable guide. That is guidance from the divine. Those are the messages coming from the divine universe. Okay? At hindi kayo nito iga-guide patungo sa mali. You will always be directed towards the right path, towards the right direction. Anong makakabuti para sa'yo. And with that, kung kayo'y magkakaroon na ng linaw sa inyong isipan, makakawala na kayo sa negative energy na ito, then this is what's going to happen. Magiging masaya ka na. Hindi lang ikaw, pati yung mga kapamilya mo will be happy also for you. You know, makikita nila, mawi-witness nila na nagbago na yung aura mo, nagbago na yung pakiramdam mo. So for sure, they will be happy for you as well. So, Ten of Cups is happy family. This is domestic bliss. There is harmony and love, understanding between each other sa pamilya. Walang away, walang tambuhan, walang hindi pagkakaintindihan, you know. There is harmonious relationship, no? Um, between you and the family, between you and other people sa pamilya, you know. There is also luck, no? Swerte na po pwedeng dadating sa iyo rito, Dio. There is going to be success as well, no? Kaya siguro kung meron man kayong mga balak gawin, kung meron kayong or may mga effort na talaga kayong ginawa, may mga ventures na kayong ginawa, so siguro ngayon mapagtatagumpayan mo na din yan. Or yung tagumpay na to could also be success ninyo sa fade away ng energies na to. That could also be your success, no? Na mapagtatagumpayan mong mawala ito sa horizon ninyo. So, we also have world, be open to new possibilities in all areas of life. Ayan. So, maraming posibilidad, oportunidad na maaaring dumating, you know, sa buhay mo. At yan ay hindi lang sa iisang area of life, but this is going to be an opportunity for change sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo, you know. And kapag mayroong pagbabago, 'di ba, nagbabago naman ang lahat for the better, 'di ba? Hindi natin hinahangad na magbago ang sitwasyon natin para pabalik, 'di ba? It's always moving forward. There will be more love, you know. Love will be in the air, romantic man or hindi. Love will be oozing from your heart. No, there is love that surrounds all your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of life. Kasi when there is love talaga all around you, you will attract positive situations. You will attract positive people. You will attract positive things in your life. You know? Kaya maganda kapag there is love sa puso mo, punong-puno ka ng pagmamahal at pag-ibig, mapagpatawad ka, you know, bibless ka ng universe. No? Ibibless ka kasi hindi ka nagtatanim ng galit, yung mga ganon. So we have angel. Wow, you are so blessed. Your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. And so your angels are guiding you. So rest assured, no, na yung mga angels mo is there. Laging nandiyan para sa'yo. Yung mga angels mo nandiyan always to protect you and guard you and guide you. Okay? So good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.